Millennium Bulk Terminals Longview is looking at building a coal export facility on an existing industrial site. This is an old aluminum smelter site that's been an industrial ground since 1941. The coal would be brought in by rail, stockpiled here, and then loaded onto ships for transport to Asia. This is an industrial site that needs cleaned up and revitalized. The coal export terminal is going to be a great facility. It will comply with the laws of the state of Washington and the federal government. And it's going to supply a lot of tax revenue into this community and a lot of good family wage jobs. Millennium has been a really good partner in this community. We want to be a partner in this community. We live in this community. Our 37 employees live and work here. So we want it to be successful. We want to be good neighbors. We have worked on a lot of projects and volunteered. Our employees have volunteered also for things. We have done a lot of community outreach because we want to be able to answer everybody's questions on what we're doing here, what we've proposed, where the cleanup is going, and all the things that we have planned for the future.